Shalom. First and foremost, Kal Halayim, Yahweh, Bahashan Shai, Patrick Dash, and the 11 fourth apostles of GMS that teach well and that rule well, make it worthy of double honors, especially they who live in the word and doctrine of Yahweh He exists. Bahashan Shai, keep them over our Savior Yahweh Shai. But Patrick Dash, that gives our comfort in scriptures in the current times. Luke 21:28 says, Return back, no God speaking. One thing come past, look ahead. It's going to be done by way of scriptures, by way of faith, knowledge, Kakwa Dash, by comfort. It's all who understand in these current times. Current times know how to move, know how not to, what to do, what not to do. Leviticus 21:28. I might quite for street knowledge, Numbers 19:28. 21, 19, 28. Okay, here. So what's current out to see the jab, the chragma, consciousness of the flesh. You hear yeast no one comes for flesh for the dead. No printing was upon you. I am in hell and dry. The power. Those getting into that you're saying that you want someone to be ahead over you. That's not to be done amongst Israel. And the whole flesh is current time with that. Galatians 13:16. I go on MTB so much because it's just to want people not to take part in the system. But here and causes all just the top bank families and cause Rothschild, Rockefellers, cause the people in the Goyim take this and then take it into construction. Since turning this when I take that see hip. Take here the Chagma causes the flesh. Take here and causes all boost my green, which am poor, free and bond to see my right hand forehead. It's not either rich or you're poor, whether you're home on the street, you're a great man, you're rich, you're living up lavish, you're a poor man, you're free, you walk around freely, think you're free, or you're born, you're in prison. So you're choosing the right hand and the forehead. And then when by yourself, see the mark and the beast. Verse 9. Here's wisdom, this was needed. Let us have understanding of the beast. Also, let us work wisdom and count that was no wisdom seem to understand times. This will be with your destruction, and let us not take this trip. For like men, no, they like the Israel through to shall one. For number 4, number of men, and number of men is 626. So Christ has died because this currency is refreshed. So 6 is with number of beast. The beast man, which is kind of man walking in the garden in Eden, which gave Eve philosophies. That Eve was dumb woman that was the young child once again was that's why man came to not able to Eve because once again he begot Eve. And he begot Eve, he's like, I got them, and then Eve brought to the man. And then that's what we all fall, all show glory and sin. That's what woman. That's why kind of times refrain yourself from such things like this. Kai star stigma. It's a digital barcode. I'm just gonna introduce the new life. So we're going to put a 6. Just a chi, sty, stigmata. And this currency inside the flesh. So we're like refrain from. So let's put that society, make you a slave to the system, put above you. Sometimes gonna have to, you must have faith in the sure. Live for the house, that's happening. Health, I'm agree. Right here, what's to you first? Great most of to you first. When you watch Imposter Heart videos, you understand what I'm talking about. How it looks like a serpent. Right here.
Strong's G 5516. Chi, Xi, stigma. Chi, Xi, stigma.
It's gonna agree because on the left, the Hebrew turns to the Hebrew on the right. So make way for this central banking system. And you're a slave and interest slave onto this as well. That's getting keep both birthrights. So it's trying to get birthright back. Make you slaves. Make us slaves. This can commit all invitation. But what's gonna happen is again, hopefully like we'll have a bit more of an edge to overcoming this beast system. It's gonna take faith for sure. Once again, it's how we escape this week from the grave. And to have faith on a man. Bring destruction in the past, but I forget show. And it's going to how it look like a serpent more. And here's wisdom. Into unforgiveness. Wisdom is needed here. Let us once understand solid meanings number of the beast. First number of man, the number 600. That's going 6. 666. So it's like an X, it's just like a serpent, and truly X serpent, and then a cragma. High, psi, stigma. So here, root word, the G14 oblation 4724 as a cross. The Greek alphabet, intermittent between the Abba, the Abu G6, 606, the meaning of the basic must vein scapulation. So here, the KJV records 1x. So the strong definition, stigma, means the 24th, 22nd, 22 second, 14th, and mission G4724. Stigma. So here, a mark, pricking, in or a branch upon a body to ancient origin, using slaves and soldiers, bore the name of the stamp and if of their master or commander, branched or pricked, cut in their bodies to indicate who, what master or general they belong to, and when there were even some devotes who stamped themselves in the way which took their gods. You only take this, it was saying that it's your God. Mark, stigma, stick or prick, and imagine a mark instead of punched for recognition of ownership, scar, or service, mark. And we belong to Yahweh Shah, that's who we belong unto. This is Leviticus 19:28. Yahweh Shah himself, commandment Shah himself, Most High himself. So again, this is a command. I need to take this ship, the sea hip, to have faith in Yahweh Shah, to depart from me. So for like mountains again. So here, idolatry forbidden, given to Moses to give to them the children Ezra. Moses was not in good speech. But guess what? Moses was like, no, I please God to people. So this can be followers the commandments to his abilities to his Shah. So here, you shall make cuts in your print, so you shall make any cuttings. You shall not make any cuttings in your flesh for the dead, nor put any marks upon you. I am a Yahweh Shah, that power. Translation version. So here, do not cut your bodies for the dead, and make marks upon your skill tattoos. I am Yahweh Shah. Should cut from your shot to take part in the system is shipping. So I was scared feed those shot to the problem. So I can't go because I find this one's commercial skin, bone skin, death. Strand the great commercial.